Hello everyone. In previous video, we had a discussion of data types and how the data types are going to work at Python. That is integer data type, then float data type, then string, then boolean data types. See, these are all data types. Already we had a discussion in previous video. See, once again we are going to glance. The integer data types are only whole numbers and it won't allow decimal points. See, if you want to display our decimal points under the integer, it won't allow under the integers. Then when it comes to the float data types, here numbers with decimal and also some scientific notations. And also here we can execute scientific notations. See, scientific notations is nothing but some expressions, mathematical expressions we are going to execute under the float. Then when it comes to the strings, that is str, we are going to represent str within a single quote or double quote or triple quote. What we are going to represent the characters and a Python program, we are going to call it as string data types. Then final one is boolean, we are going to represent as bool, that is whether the statement values are true. And also we can represent the statements what we are going to apply under the Python. Here by using the data type boolean, we are going to find the statement as whether it's true or false. We had already discussion of this. Okay, here depending on these data types, I'm going to show some of the examples here. That means how the data types are going to represent under the Python. Here I have one example. See, here we can see the examples of data types. See, already we had a discussion of that data types. Now here in this video we are going to learn the examples of data types. See, these are the fundamental blocks of Python. The data types are the fundamental data, means fundamental for all Python program. Means these are some examples we are going to see in this video. See, integer exam means integer data types are x is equal to 10, then y is equal to -5 and z is equal to 0. We are going to consider as this is the positive integer, then where the minus sign or negative sign is there, that is negative integer, then 0, it represented as 0. Then for the float data types, pi 3.14, that is decimal. Then when it comes numbers 7 minus 7.99, that is negative float. Then expressions, that is scientific notation. Then string data types, under string data types, double quote, name is equal to Python, that is double quote. Then greet, hello world, single quote. Then it comes multi-line string, that is triple quotes. And the last one is boolean. The boolean we are using for either the statements are true or false. So here, for example, print 10 greater than 5. The statement is true because the number 10 is greater than 5, so the statement should be true. Then the other statement is print 2 is equal to 3. The statement is false. The reason is 2 is not equal to 3. So in this way, we are going to represent the data types in the Python program. Okay, here quick type of verifications here. See, if suppose we are using under the integer print type 10, that means this is the number, so the data type we are going to consider as integer, that is int, because it allows only the numbers, not the decimal points. Then the second one, float type. See, we are going to consider as float here. The reason is here we are using the decimal number. The decimal number is 3.14. Then in a third data type, that is string, the string data type we are considered as str. Here you can see print type high. Here double quotes we have used. So this type of statements we are going to call it as string data types. Then when it comes to boolean, see print type true. See, we are using this whether the statements are true or false. So here we are using the data type is bool. These are the examples of the data types what we are going to use under the Python. I hope you have understood the data type examples in this video. Thank you.